Welcome the our channel. Today we how to restore form errors display in React Hook Form step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have React Hook Form installed in your project. If not, run the command npm install React Hook Form. Next, import the necessary hooks from React Hook Form in your component file. Import useForm from React Hook Form. Initialize the useForm hook by calling it within your functional component. Destructure necessary properties from the useForm hook, such as register, handle submit, and form state. Define the onSubmit function that will handle form submission. In this function, you can process the form data as needed. Create your form using the standard HTML form element. Attach the handle submit function to the onSubmit prop of the form element. Inside your form, add input fields for your form data. For each input field, utilize the register function to register them with React Hook Form. Make sure to specify validation rules when you register each field. For example, you can set required, true for mandatory fields. To display form errors, check the form state object for errors. Map through the errors object to identify which fields have issues. Create an error message element for each field that has an error. Conditionally render these error messages below the respective input fields. Style the error messages for better visibility, using CSS classes if necessary. Finally, test your form by submitting it with and without filling required fields. You should see error messages displayed as intended. This completes the process of restoring form errors display in React Hook Form. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.